Hello, good morning, and good afternoon, fellow crafters. Welcome to this week's episode of Curbside Crafting. This week in Storytime, we are talking about something that I bet most of you really enjoy. We are talking about bath time. It's really a good time to play and get clean at the same time. It's kind of magical. So the craft that you are going to make this week is this fun little, looks like a cool little shower curtain, right? Well, who could be behind that shower curtain? Let's see. Hello, it's Hello Kitty. She's taking a bath. So what you'll get when you come up to do express checkout or curbside, you'll get these 2 sheets of paper. So you can color in Kitty as she takes her bubble bath. And then this is your shower curtain that you can decorate however you like. Is there a shower curtain you've always wanted to have? Here's your chance to make it happen. So what you'll do, color it in. As you can see, I made mine look like under the sea. And I used colored pencils, but of course you can use your crayons, whatever you prefer, whatever is easiest for you. Then you're gonna cut out your cool new design of shower curtain, and then you will just glue it just along the top where that line is. Just glue that down and voila, there you have it. Pretty simple and very, very fun, just like bath time. I hope you guys all had a wonderful, wonderful new year, and we are excited to be jumping into 2021. We will see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.